Hi, welcome to the day 7 of the 7 days social media mastery course. As always, before we start with today's session, I first want to confirm if you have already created your first ad and published it live on your Facebook page. So, if you've done that, great. Let's move on with the last session in which I'm going to show you how you can download leads. But if in case you haven't yet published the ad, please publish the ad and then after a day's time, then come and watch this session. Okay, so assuming that you have already published the ad a day before, I'm going to continue with today's session in which I'm going to show you how you can download the leads which are generated. For that, I'm going to go to my Facebook account first. Once you're on the Facebook account, you will see an option here, Ads Manager. So click on Ads Manager. And then let me change the ad account. Okay. So now in your ad manager, you will see your ad which we published yesterday. So here, if you see, this is the ad which we created yesterday, dedicated designer for small business owners. If you see, this is still active. Okay, that means the ad is still running. And if you see, we have already generated 8 leads on this ad just within a day's time. Okay, I'll show you how to download these leads, but before that, I want to show you how to read these numbers. So this ad particularly says the reach is 871. This means that this particular ad has been seen by 871 people, or this particular ad has been seen by 871 Facebook accounts. Impression is how many times the ad has been shown by Facebook or to how many people. So, although Facebook has shown this ad to around 966 people or on their accounts, only 871 people have seen this ad, out of which 8 people clicked on the ad, and that's how they filled up the lead form, and that's how we have received the lead. Okay, now here if you see the total amount spent since yesterday is around 375 rupees, and out of 8 leads, so when Facebook spent this amount, we have generated 8 leads. Okay, that means the per lead cost for you is 46.53. It is simple calculation, 375 divided by 8. Okay, so this per lead cost is a very good cost. Okay, as and when you consistently run ads and you keep on improving the audience size, this cost can come down to as less as 15 rupees, 20 rupees, or even 5 rupees. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to download these 8 leads. Okay, so now go back to your Facebook account. Once you are on the Facebook account, your personal account, scroll down and look out for the page. Okay, so here I had published the ad on this particular page, that is Reach Digital Marketing Made Easy page. Okay, so I'm going to click open that page. In your case, you can click on the page that you have created for your brand. Now, once you are on the page, you will see there are multiple options here. So scroll down and go to publishing tools. Okay, click on publishing tools. Under publishing tools, scroll down and go to forms library. So under lead ad forms, you will find a field which says forms library. Click on forms library, and then you will see the lead form which we created. Okay, so all these are other forms which I had created for my other Facebook ads. Yesterday, the ad which we created and the lead form which I created was named as Dedicated Designer Bangalore. Here you can see it says that 8 leads. Okay, now simply click on download. Okay, so what it shows is download new leads. Okay, so it says 8 new leads since the last download. Okay, so now click on download new leads and simply download an Excel file. Okay, so there you go. Your Excel sheet of lead forms is downloaded. Now let me open it. Now, when you open this, okay, now once you open this, all this initial information is, you can ignore this information. The main information that you need to look at is the last 4 columns. Okay, so if you remember, while creating the lead form, we had asked for 4 fields. So one was email ID, full name, phone number, and company name. So we've got these 8 leads who have filled up the lead form, and that's how we've received their email ID, their full names, phone number, and the company name or their brand name. So now simply what you need to do is go to our Google Sheet. Okay, the master sheet that we created, which has all this information. So business profile, my login. Under the same, if you remember, we had created a last sheet which is lead sheet. So first mention the serial numbers. Okay, then go back to your lead sheet, the one which we downloaded, and copy paste the email IDs first under the email ID column. Then copy paste the full name under the names column. Then copy paste the phone numbers. Okay, and then if you go back here, you will see that there's a date which is mentioned. So created time. So this is the date and time. So copy paste this here. So now you know that the 8 leads are generated on 12th. These are the names, email address, and phone number. Okay. Now, how to use this lead sheet is, for example, you are calling this particular person today. Okay. Simply mention the call date. Now, today is 7th of December. So I'm going to mention it as 7th December 2020. And then, according to whatever discussions I have with these particular clients, I'll put my follow-up date. So for example, if this particular person tells me that he's busy or he's not able to talk that time, so just mention the next follow-up date. So you can mention as 8th December. Simply mention the remarks, busy, call back later. Okay, so similarly you can maintain all the leads in this sheet, so that whenever you have to follow up with them, you can simply filter this column and simply filter for the date of follow up and ensure that each lead is followed up. Okay, so great. Later on you can just simply close this sheet because we've already copied all the leads there. Now decide on a time every day. So suppose if you have started the lead campaign yesterday, every day in the morning, simply go to the publishing tools and then go to the lead ad forms under forms library, download the new leads and copy paste them in your sheet. So you just saw how we have actually generated 8 leads within a single day by using simply the Facebook ads, and we were able to generate a lead at a cost of as less as 45 rupees. Okay, so great. So good luck, and I hope you have enjoyed all my 7 sessions, 7-day sessions. Now, after this, there's going to be one more video session in which I'm going to summarize the whole 7 days course, and then accordingly, I'm also going to give you some giveaway. So once you are done with this session, please view the last session, which is a summary session, and accordingly take benefit of the giveaways that I am giving in the last session. Thank you so much and good luck.